the next four measures in When I Was Your Man. The right hand first. We have four A minor chords, A, C, E, with your 1, 3, and 5. And there's four of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have an E minor, but we're playing it inverted. So B, E, G with the 1, 3, and 5. And there's four of those. And then we have a B flat chord. Now you can either do this with 1, 3, and 5 or 1, 2, and 4. I'm going to do 1, 2, and 4 on the B flat, D, and F. And there's four of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have two C's inverted with the G, C, E. 1, 3, and 5. And then a G short, staccato. That whole line there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's add the left hand to this right hand thing, because it'll be easier to understand how they work together. So you have the left hand forefinger on an A, and you're going to play that at the same time as the first chord. Then you have the right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, and then the right hand and left hand quickly. So altogether that sounds like this. Then the same thing happens when you switch to the E. You're going to put your thumb on the left hand on an E, and you're moving up to the E minor. And then when you switch to the B flat, you're going to use your three finger on the B flat, and the rhythm is similar except that you don't have the quick thing at the end. So it's just together, right, left, right, left, right, left. Then we're moving to a C chord with a G in the bass. So the right hand is playing G, C, E, and then you're going to play a G with your left hand, and you have together, right, left, and then you're moving to a G chord where you're playing all together, and you're keeping that G with the left hand. So this whole line sounds like this.